The next major sin is gambling. The fact that gambling has been placed next to things which are associated with polytheism in the following verse highlights how important it is to avoid. Chapter 5 Al-Ma'idah, verse 90.
O you who have believed, indeed intoxicants, gambling, sacrificing on stone altars to other than Allah, and divining arrows are but defilement from the work of Satan, so avoid it that you may be successful.
The Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has advised in a narration found in Imam Bukhari's Adab al-Mufrad, number 1262, that a Muslim should donate charity as compensation for saying to another that they should make a bet. If talking about placing a bet has a penalty, can one imagine the seriousness of actually gambling? Gambling not only destroys a person, but all those associated with them, such as their family. It is associated with many other sins and conditions, such as alcoholism and depression. A person might win some wealth through gambling, but in the long run they will only ever be a loser. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.